time for an all-new church leadership conference that will transform your church and give you the tools to lead and make a greater impact in the kingdom of God. Unlock your church's potential with cutting-edge technology, innovative strategies, and practical tools at the Modern Church Leader Conference. This event is designed to help you lead with all new clarity with your teams. We know your time is valuable, so that's why we created the Modern Church Leader Conference and did the hard work for you. On October 21st through 23rd in Dallas, Texas, join thousands of church leaders from all over the country to explore the future of technology and innovation. With leaders like Erwin McManus, Nona Jones, Levi Lusko, Julia McCoy, Miles McPherson, and many more. Bring your whole team and receive advanced training for every area of ministry. And attend intensive boot camps that will help you run your church more efficiently, increase generosity, and engage better with your community. With world-class speakers, over 40 hyper-practical workshops, on-site product training and deep dives, an interactive exhibit hall, and unforgettable networking experiences, the Modern Church Leader Conference is set to revolutionize how church leaders perceive and leverage technology. Modern Church Leader Conference is where innovation meets ministry, where church leaders become modern church leaders, and where the future of church leadership is redefined. Register today at mclconference.com.